Welcome to the Indoor AgTech Innovation Summit. This video will show you how best to use the virtual summit platform. You'll be sent an email to log into the platform, which will come from noreply@swapcard.com. Click the Let's Get Started button to enter the platform. The first step is to complete your profile. Click Edit above your details on the left-hand side of the page. Based on your registration information, a profile is created for you, but it is important to complete your profile with additional information because this will enable you to make the best connections via the platform. The matchmaking artificial intelligence within the platform favours profiles which are most complete. The profile with a photo will be given much more priority over a profile without a photo, for example, so it is important to enter as much information as you can. To your profile, you can add a headshot, biography, edit details imported from your event registration, add additional contact information, link social media accounts, and add information about your company. All of this information will enrich your profile and allow artificial intelligence to help you find the most relevant people with whom you can connect. Once you've updated your profile, head to the My Planner tab. Here you'll be able to manage your schedule during the summit. First of all, check My Meetings to see if you have received any meeting requests from other delegates. You can accept or decline each meeting. Once you've accepted it, it will be added to My Schedule. You can also mark yourself unavailable at specific times by clicking Make Unavailable next to that time slot. The unavailable slots will no longer be displayed on your profile, and other participants will no longer be able to book meetings with you on these slots. At any time, you can make these times available again by clicking Make Available. The My Planner page is where you'll be able to see your chosen sessions, roundtables, and where you can manage your one-to-one meetings. We'll come to each of these in turn. Heading back to the home page, click on the Watch Live button. Here you are able to watch the live sessions and see the sessions coming up next, which will autoplay after each session finishes. Note that the session timings shown adapts to your computer's location. On the right-hand side, you can chat with other attendees also watching the session, give questions to the speakers, and answer polls. Below the stream, the session speakers and sponsors' profiles are linked. To see the whole schedule, click Agenda. Here, you can apply filters and search for either plenary sessions or networking sessions. Below shows sessions you have added to your schedule. You don't need to register for sessions, but to add them to your personalised schedule, click either the plus icon or click into the session and click the Register button. There you'll find these sessions saved in the My Planner, My Schedules section. As soon as the sessions begin, watch them live by clicking on the session title or by simply hitting the Watch Live button on the home page. All sessions will be available to watch on demand for a month after the live event. You can also continue to message speakers, exhibitors, and attendees to ensure you maximise your networking value from the summit. Click on the One-to-One Meetings button to see the list of all delegates registered for the summit. As mentioned earlier, based on the information you add to your profile, the system will stay at the top of the list AI matches. On the left, you can search the attendee list for specific names or companies, or filter the list by company type, company, or country. To connect with someone, click on their profile and send them a connection request, which will enable you both to share contact details, including email, telephone, and address. Once you have connected, you can send them a private message with that person. These connections are shown in the My Planner, My Networking. To schedule a video meeting, click on the attendee's profile and view all of their available time slots. Select a time, select Virtual, add a message, and click Send Meeting Request, and the attendee will be notified of your request. Pending and accepted meetings are shown in the other attendee's profile and in My Planner under My Meetings. These can also be exported to your calendar using the button on the right-hand side. If you have a lot of meetings that have been pending for several days, don't hesitate to cancel some of them to free meeting slots. Pending meetings block your meeting slots. To reschedule a meeting, you will have to cancel it and book another meeting at a different time. To schedule a group meeting, head to Messages. From here, select this icon and choose your contacts that you wish to join the video. From here, you can name the group, create a group discussion, or hold a video. Automatic notifications are sent within the system and are listed in the bell icon. When you receive a meeting request and also a few minutes before the meeting starts, you will be sent a reminder. When you cancel a meeting, your contact will be notified. During the summit, regularly check My Planner and My Schedule to manage your personal schedule. When it's time for a scheduled meeting, you will see a video call button appear next to the meeting in My Schedule. Click on this to start the meeting at the set time. Ensure that you share your camera to help with face-to-face. On the homepage, you will find the Roundtables section. At specific times during the summit, there will be roundtable discussion groups, which you will need to sign up for in advance. Each roundtable is limited to 11 attendees to ensure that they work as an opportunity to drill down into topics in small groups of people, where everyone can be shown on screen at once. Each roundtable discussion group is based on a specific theme, offering a valuable opportunity to network, brainstorm solutions, and share ideas with peers on shared areas of interest. On this page, you can find the list of all the roundtables, the times, the topics, and the hosts. To register for your selected roundtable, add the session to your agenda. It will then appear in your schedule under My Planner. When it is time for the roundtables to take place, open the roundtable session that you have registered for and click on the link that will be added to the description, which will take you to the live roundtable discussion. You will need to have your camera and microphone on, as these will work like a Zoom meeting where everyone at the roundtable can talk to and see each other. Heading now to the exhibition tab. The list of partners is displayed, with each having their own virtual exhibition booth, sharing information, links, and documents. Sessions which partners are speaking in are also linked to their exhibition booth. You can chat one-to-one with the company on the right-hand side and also book in a meeting the same way that you would as an attendee. On the top, you can bookmark exhibition booths, which are linked to My Planner under My Bookmark Companies. Each company's representatives are linked to the exhibition booth, and clicking on their names will direct you to their individual profiles. Now let's head to the Speakers tab. Here you can view all of the speakers presenting at the summit. You can either chat with them by clicking on their profile and choosing a one-to-one slot, or by heading to networking sessions and viewing all of the opportunities for group discussions throughout the summit. Finally, let's head back to the My Planner tab. As you can see, the sessions and roundtables that I have registered for now appear in my schedule. My confirmed one-to-one meetings also appear here. You can export your whole schedule to your own calendar application by clicking the Export button on the right-hand side. Don't forget to check My Meetings and to accept or decline incoming meeting requests and monitor the requests you have sent. My Networking will show details of all the connection requests that have been accepted. My Bookmark Companies will show the virtual booths that you have bookmarked. At the end of the event, you can download all of these as a single PDF by clicking Download PDF. Enjoy the virtual summit.